You got
Got
it?
it? Way to call it. That's important in sports.
Yeah.
Yay!
Oh.
Get it!
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Yay!
Nice job.
Oh. No. Oh. What did he eat?
There it
Any
is.
more?
There he's still.
Oh, he's
Oh, mind him up!
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
That pesky lawnmower.
Big hit.
Get it!
Whoa!
Good
Good
job.
job.
Right in his face.
That's it. Right there.
Yeah.
Oh.
You
What
need
you
more?
need?
The other ones are all floating now.
Be hard to hit
Those
that
aren't
one.
ready yet.
Are you doing some dancing?
Should we do the chicken dance?
Yeah. Since they all taught you, Henry. Aw, say cheese.
No.
Where's he gone? You've got very big eyes all of a sudden, Henry.
Uh-oh. Now those puppy are not going to be happy.
I see you.
I see you.
Yeah.
I see you. I saw Henry and he was all red. All red. I know you did me again.
It's
I know
okay.
Daddy's going to vacuum the
It's
carpet,
okay.
huh?
Do this.
Just wipe it on your pants. Wipe it on Daddy's
Whip
pants.
it on Dynamic's pants.
That's it.
Yeah,
Good boy.
Good job, Henry.
Good done. Beautiful.
More.
That's even better.
Is it gone? I think it's gone.
Now just hit it.
know it's-
Now we're just.
Beep,
You all done?
beep. Beep, beep.
You get your beeper?
Uh-oh, Henry.
Must mean it's time to go.
No.
Sorry, emergency, got around.